Buying a home can become a very frustrating process. The three big problems that clients experience today: one, not being able to find a home in this low inventory market; two, having access to cash to be competitive with their offers; and three, simply getting their offer accepted in a multiple offer situation. When you become a Kaminsky Real Estate Group VIP client, you get 6 distinct benefits and 2 proven strategies that helped us get over 2,000 home buyers into their next home. To go through the 6 distinct benefits you receive when working with the Kaminsky Real Estate Group: number 1, we are going to find you a lender that is best suited for your situation, that has the lowest interest rates or the easiest way to get qualified for a home loan that you need. Number 2, we will provide you access to every single property that is for sale in the marketplace, including properties that are on our secret seller map that are exclusive to the Kaminsky Real Estate Group. Number 3, we will provide private showing access to homes that are for sale that are both on the market or off the market at a time that's convenient for you. Number 4, when you find a property you love, we will arrange a strategy to make sure that the price, the terms, and the timing align to exactly what you need. Number 5, we will prepare the offer in a manner that has the best chances of getting accepted in these multiple offer situations. And number 6, you get private access to our personal and vetted list of contractors and home service vendors, including home inspectors, termite inspectors, anything you need as it relates to the home. These people have been tested and vetted to make sure that they're protecting you in your home purchase. In addition, you get access to our 2 proven strategies to help you win in today's tough market. 1, our cash offer program that provides you cash to purchase your next home and compete with the buyers that are out there. And number 2, our proven strategy, which we call our 25 question strategy, which is the questions we drill the listing agent with to understand exactly what the situation is from the seller's perspective. So when we prepare an offer for you, you have the best chances of getting your offer accepted without having to overpay for the home. And finally, our bonus: you get our exclusive buyer guarantee, which means if you end up buying a home that you're not happy with for any reason, we will sell it for free. To learn more about our VIP program, just click below, and we're happy to have a consultation with you to see if the dream home that you are looking for is out there right now waiting for you.